We often hear the phrase equal pay for equal work. For a long time, women are often told that discrimination is a key component to the gender pay gap. They consistently earn less than men, and the gap is even wider for most women of color. So, what exactly is the gender wage gap, and what drives it? Even though a lot of progress has been made, the gender wage gap persists, and many people find this to be a myth due to the result of arbitrary decisions rather than discriminatory practices. There are other factors to consider when a woman is getting paid less. Women who obtain a higher education need a flexible schedule, which usually come with lower wage consequences. They need more than just a high school diploma, but at least a post-secondary education to make family-sustaining wages. Women choose different occupations from men, and there are large and persistent differences in the earnings of different occupations. Even for the same kind of job in the same occupation and sector, it has a lower hourly wage with fewer social protections and benefits than comparable full-time work. Women often choose to move to part-time employment or to step out of a career promotion pathway in order to have more time for motherhood and childcare when their children are young. If they return to work full-time, they are often forced to accept a lower wage compared to the wage they would have earned had they stayed in their original job.
I think as a society, we still have that norm of, well, whenever it's pertaining to child, we're going to go to the mom. We're only going to go to the dad if necessary, or we have to because there is no mom in the picture. So I feel as though, certain work, again, when we're pregnant, we get maternity leave. When we physically give birth to the child, we still have, time to come back to the workforce to take care of our child. So I feel as though there has to be some, I guess in defense to certain companies and environments, they have that pay gap in because of that, because maybe there is a time where, Suzanne, who is a baker, cannot perform her duty because Timmy got a cold and she has to go pick up her son.
As of the year of 2020, women earn 84 cents for every dollar a man makes. Women of all races earned, on average, just 82 cents for every dollar earned by men. It's important to understand that the gender wage gap isn't based on just discrimination, but the sub-factors that contribute to it.